Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to play Spotify music in Discord. So first of all, what you want to do is go to a certain voice channel that you want. So I just created a sample server, and now as you can see I have my voice channel. So to start streaming your music from the Spotify, you need to just join a voice channel. Just press and join the voice channel. And then after that you would just want to open your Spotify. Next. Okay, so now our Spotify is open. Now you just want to go ahead and play some music. I'm just going to mute for the so just play some music. Now we can pause it. Now what you want to do next is you just go to your settings down here. Then you can press share screen, and the first way is to and the main way we're going to be playing our music is by just streaming our Spotify application for our people that we are in the call with. So just select Spotify free, then go live, and now we are streaming our Spotify application, as you can see, and people that are watching the stream and entering it can hear the music. Also, something you want to do for the ease of use is just go to your user settings. Now scroll down, go to registered games, then click on add game right here, then choose Spotify, press add game. You can toggle this overlay to on as well. Now leave the settings, and then the next time you want to stream your music, you can just click on this Spotify shortcut that's very easy to use. Just press on stream Spotify, then go live. It's so easy like this, and now you are streaming your music for everyone that is in your call. Thank you guys for watching. If this helped, subscribe, press the like button, click on the notification bell, leave a comment, and I will see you very soon.